What the fuck, nigga? Oh yeah, the new season. Ah! God damn it. Bro, skip that nigga. Why like that crazy ass timing? Yeah, I'm gonna be naked as shit.
Who is Javo?
Hello, hello.
Am I right, bro? Am I right? He is a child. What is he doing in an
This
app like this?
application.
О май гад.
Hello, hello.
Hello, блядь.
What does it mean? It's Russian
Я
word.
не знаю, блядь, даже, что это значит.
Okay. But can you repeat this one? Can you repeat this one?
What?
Wait a minute. I can do it again. Wait.
Oh, fuck.
You can repeat this.
Вот,
You
блядь.
Can you play
Why
my
just
my
like-
favorite song? Can you play my favorite song?
What is it?
It's
We on TikTok. We on TikTok.
maybe.
No chop, nigga. He gonna post some on YouTube like, bro, I want to see the TikTok, bro. Show the TikTok.
Doesn't give me the right, bro.
Bro,
Yo.
you have
What?
to have like more
Do some space shit real quick.
Okay. Is it enough special?
you gotta do it like more with your mouth.
Oh, okay. Wait. like this one. Okay.
About that nigga.
Are you a guy or a girl?
What? What?
Are you a guy or a girl?
I'm not worried about what you got going on.
So you are a guy, yes?
Your mama is.
Yo. Fuck. Shit, this looks like a stream. Fuck, I'm gonna get clipped. No.
This also looks like a stream, bro. I feel like what the fuck?
The fuck? I just do,
Oh, you-
you know.
Oh, you look like Dwayne the Rock Johnson. Shit.
What the fuck?
You look like the Rock shit.
The rock shit?
Yes.
I think you just like shit, you know, not rock shit. You know?
Alan. No, that's not. No, where's that? Oh, the fuck, bro? The fuck?
Hey, Alan, bro.
Hi, Jamal, bro.
Hi,
Hi.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You know this meme? You know this. But
Yo,
do you want do you know this?
Whoa! What are those, Kiki?
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why do we do this?
Because I thought you were about to say something.
Oh, okay. Do you know this meme? This meme, you know? You know this? You don't know this? What about this? Do you know this?
I'm single.
You're single. Oh.
Yeah, I'm so single.
Okay, understand. Understand. Thank you. I'm not. I'm taken actually. I'm taken. Sorry. Oh.
You're taken, of course. I mean, a handsome man like you, you're taken.
Hello, hello.
What's up, bro? You look really hot.
Thank you, thank you. Do you know this meme? Do you know this meme?
I know it. I know it.
What about this? What about this one?
Jesus Christ!
Yeah, I can do this again. Wait a minute.
You're real. Yo, bro,
What?
bro, give me an arm workout, bro. What the hell?
Oh, just do this.
Ah, so like this.
Hello.
Hello, my brother.
Hello. Do you know this meme?
А ну давай показывай.
You know this?
Yes, we know this meme.
What about this one?
Уфала.
Like this.
Yeah, it's cool. I like it.
Thank you. Okay, you are great, guys.
Can you show it again? Show it again. Please.
Okay, of course.
Yo.
Alan, are you gonna mug me, bro? Are you gonna mug me? Yeah. I knew it. Fuck it. Alan, you're gonna mug me, huh? Show me one more time, bro. Show me one more time. What the fuck? What? Hey, bro. I ain't as big as you, though. So fucking big, bro. Give it up, brother.
You are great,
Give me some.
actually. You are great.
Good stuff.
Show your dick.
Are you streaming me right now? Damn, bro, I'm trying to get your physique.
Thank you. I'm not streaming. I'm swimming.
Oh, you're swimming?
Yes.
Scuba.
In a kid pool.
In a kiddie pool?
Yeah.
Oh.
As small like this, as this dumbbell.
That's what you used to get big?
Yeah.
Damn!
That's what she said.